Hello there, and thank you for joining me. I'd just like to say a few words about the Certificate in Hypnosis course that I run a few times a year. And the first thing I'd like to say about that course is that it is a hugely practical one. In fact, we get you up and running with the practice sessions from the afternoon of the very first day. So you're practicing on other people on the course, and you're also receiving hypnosis yourself, which is probably the best way that you can possibly learn anything, and it's rather enjoyable too when you're in a nice relaxed state. The course is fully accredited with the General Hypnotherapy Standards Council, and that's probably the largest hypnosis regulatory body in the country at the moment. And there's also supervision on the course, which is a great way to extend your learning after the course. We get you to go out and find case studies to practice on, and then we supervise them afterwards by email, so you can actually get feedback on how you're doing in the real world, which is, after all, that's why you're doing the course in the first place. It's also probably the best way to integrate all of the learnings that you've had on the course and put them into real life. Now, I've been running this course, or at least a version of it, for 8 or 9 years now, and altogether I've probably run it something like 100 times, or more likely more now. And the thing is, I still love doing it. Probably one of the best things about the course is that it's effective. It's fun as well, and all the people who come on it are great, but it's mainly the fact that it's effective for people who want to start out on their journey to learn hypnosis or regression. It's also very useful if you're looking to do a bit of personal self-development too, because you find out a lot about yourself on the course, and it's a good way to move through a little bit of stuff. The other thing I want to say about the course is that we actively talk energy. I'm not aware of how many other hypnosis courses are doing that, but this one is, and personally I think the others should be. I believe that everything is energy. So we're talking about energy management all the way through the course, and specifically how you manage your energy with clients, which is really an integral part of going forward. Now, the final thing that I want to tell you about the course is that it's got soul, and whatever that means to you, I'll let you sit with those words, but it has a real positive energy with it, a really helpful and very beneficial energy. So, if you're interested in finding out more, if you're on my website, then you'll see there's a lot of other information after you finish watching this video. Have a look around and ask me any questions that you want to. If you're finding this video somewhere else, perhaps Facebook, YouTube, or anywhere really, then direct yourself back to my webpage. There'll be a link on the video, and again, ask me any questions, send me an email, give me a call. There's courses coming up regularly throughout the year, and I am happy to answer any questions that you may have, and I hope that I see you at some point in the not too distant future. I'm very biased, but this is a fabulous course, so I hope you make it.